Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset content marketing with BuzzSumo, complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by logging into your BuzzSumo account.
If you don't have an account, create one to access the platform's features. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the Content Analysis section. Enter a topic or keyword related to your content marketing goals.
Click on the search button to generate results. Examine the top performing content to identify trends.
Pay attention to engagement metrics such as shares, likes, and comments. Analyze the headlines and formats of successful content. Next, explore the content research feature.
Use filters to narrow down results by date, language, or content type. Focus on identifying gaps in your current content strategy.
Observe what your competitors are publishing and how it resonates with their audience.
Now, switch to the Influencers tab. Identify key influencers in your niche who are sharing content.
Engage with these influencers to expand your content reach. Return to the dashboard and use the _monitor feature.
Set up alerts for specific keywords related to your brand or industry.
This will help you stay updated with new trends. Next, develop a content calendar based on your findings. Plan content around topics that show high engagement potential.
Create a mix of article formats, including lists, how-tos, and infographics. Collaborate with influencers to increase your content's visibility.
Use BuzzSumo to analyze how your content performs over time.
Refine your content strategy based on performance metrics. Continually adjust your approach to keep your audience engaged. Finally, remain proactive by frequently revisiting BuzzSumo for fresh insights.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.